This is how I customized my Freddy Krueger costume. I had used some acrylic paint on the exposed muscle areas of the mask here, as you can see. It turned out really good. It really made those areas pop out, and it looked really good when I put it on. So this is the mask in the hand here. I had pre-cleaned the mask, so I removed all of the acrylic that I put on beforehand. And as you can see, there's no damage to this silicone mask at all. I really wanted this glove to stand out at night, especially against the black light, so I added some acrylic black light paint and some hot glue. And it looks great even now, and it's been a couple of years too. And I was really surprised how well it stood up after being in storage for so long. Now for the rest of the costume, I did use some old work boots, and I had some old pants laying around that I just cut up with my scissors on the bottom part of the pant legs and make them look all ragged out. And this is what it looks like now, especially after being in storage for a couple of years. And it still fits great and still feels comfortable. I almost forgot the voice changer. I'll let you hear it here in a second. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.